There is no dearth of ideas for a person with an entrepreneurial bent of mind. He can take any idea and make it a successful business venture. Raghav Gupta, founder Mr. Car Bath, is one such entrepreneur. Let's meet him and know more about his business acumen.
Hi everyone, my name is Raghav Gupta. I am the owner and proprietor of Mr. Car Bath. Mr. Car Bath is a professional car washing and car polishing services provider. What's innovative about us, we are a doorstep service provider. We come offer our services wheresoever your car is parked in your residential and commercial building compound. We are into professional car washing, car polishing, innovative car care products and innovative car accessories. Mr. Car Bath is a 2-year-old enterprise. We are now present all over Bombay. Mr. Car Bath is just the beginning for me personally. I would like to see myself involved in far too many businesses. So, in fact, we started with car washing. We are already into car polishing and exterior enrichment services. We have now started merchandising some unique car accessories and car care products under our own brand name. So, from step to step, we would like to move from one end of the business to the other, as well as delve into different kind of businesses. So for me personally, this is a beginning. This has of course been a fantastic beginning, but I would like to see myself grow, expand. In fact, I'd like to take this concept itself to different cities in India. I would like to grow this business into a pan-India business. I think from a businessman's point of view, one should never forget their values, their deep down values and their beliefs about doing business. Sometimes for a short-term gain, we compromise on a long-term gain. And I believe that we all have a deep inner sense of how we want to see ourselves doing business and how we want to see ourselves in society. So I think we should never lose touch with what we really want to do, and should constantly and consistently live by our dreams, live by our views about doing business and otherwise.
In today's times, when there are ample opportunities for the educated youth, choosing a car bath service as a profession was really a tough call for Raghav.
When I graduated from B school, like everybody else, even I had the option of taking up a job. So the next thing I knew, I was working with a multinational consulting. What I realized there is that no doubt the learning was great, but I was at the effect of things and not at the cause. Here at Mr. Car Bath, I get to decide practically every aspect of my business. I get to decide what color uniform my boys should wear, as well as what my marketing material should look like. So I believe here I really get to actually apply all the different theories and strategies that I learned back at B school. And it's an unconventional career path. But what I like about entrepreneurship is that the amount of money that you can make is not capped. There is no upside to the amount of money you can make. I'm sure there are a different set of risks, and every now and then you come across a situation where you do not make too much money. Well, when I first discussed the idea of Mr. Car Bath at home, to tell you the truth, my parents completely lost it. They had absolutely no idea why I would want to leave a cushiony multinational consulting job and become a professional car washer. But it didn't take long for them to realize that I was serious about what I said. And when I spoke to a lot of other people, I realized that this is every car owner's need. Every car owner would appreciate a service like ours. And I just pursued the idea, and today my parents has seen the success that we have achieved at Mr. Carbath, and are proud of my achievement. You know, I believe doing business in India is like no other ball game. You got to know how to work your way through things. You know, the sailing is never smooth. It's never smooth and silky. You will be thrown into situations, and you have to know how to work your way through those situations. That on one hand is daunting, and on the other hand is very challenging and exciting, because every day you face new challenges, you face new complexities, and that is where the real learning is. Because you know, you go back, you think on how you can work through that situation best, and that's where the real learning is. That's where the real learning from doing the business is. So I believe in India, no matter which business you do, whether it is selling chai on the road or selling car washes, for example, business is full of complexities, full of new challenges that an entrepreneur faces, and it is within those challenges that the actual learning, the actual business acumen is tested.
Raghav feels that it is not only the idea that is important for an entrepreneur, but the inclination and unwavering passion that catapults one into the orbit of success.
Entrepreneurship is definitely an unconventional business path, but I believe like every other business path, it has its pros and cons. The pros are that you get to make the decisions from practically everything, be it the marketing strategies that we've implemented at Mr. Carbath, or the pricing strategies, or the sales strategies. Of course, I have been a part of you know, everything that has stemmed from this company. So the learning that way is first hand. You get to utilize your business creativity, your business acumen, and the market tells you what works and what doesn't. So I believe it's an unconventional business path, but a very exciting one, a very challenging one, where rewards are directly proportional to the hard work and to the risks that you are willing to take. It's a risky path, no doubt, because there is no developed infrastructure for entrepreneurs in place. When I started out, I had absolutely no idea on the ABCD of entrepreneurship and how to go about launching my idea. But I believe you know, it is this journey which is challenging, and you know, sooner you realize that things automatically fall into place, and it's great to see that a product that you conceptualized is today being accepted by the market, and not only accepted but also appreciated. Well, one should also believe in God and stay patient with the idea. It's not always that you think of an idea and you can go implement it tomorrow. It might take its time to get everything in place, to get the resources, the infrastructure in place. So, for example, it took me almost a year of researching and working on my idea before I could come out to the market and launch it. So you got to stay patient, you got to wait for the right time, you got to do all the necessary preparation. Having said that, there's nothing more than an idea whose time has come. So I would like to say that you should not delay an idea endlessly. Once you believe that the time is right, you should just go out there and take your chances. At the moment, I believe the change that I am making, a very small change, but the change that I am making to society is that I am offering employment. Today I have more than 15 people working with me at Mr. Carbath who have a full-time employment with me. And when they take back home in the beginning of every month, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling that it is through the work that we do together that किसी का घर चलता है. So it's a great feeling to be able to offer this employment, and I believe that at this point, at this level, that is the change I make to society.